Hi, today we are going to prepare healthy evening snacks with moong dal. First take 1 cup of moong dal and soak in water and boil it. This is the boil stage. Here I have left moong dal for 2 to 3 whistles. If you want you can take more whistles also. Heat the oil in the pan. Add mustard seeds, chana dal and moong dal and fry it deeply. Now add curry leaves and chilli. Along with it add onions and saute it well. After that now you can add the boiled moong dal and then add salt and mix it well. Here I have taken little bit watery so that it won't become that much dry. Now the moong dal curry is ready. It is a very good healthy evening snacks for kids also. It gives healthy skin, nails and hairs. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.